Alright, what is up guys? I'm here with my friends Sam and Yago, and they came to me with this crazy story. They said, bro, my iPhone 10 Face ID is not working. I was like, what do you mean by that? So he sent me this video, it's crazy, and so I was like, alright, we have to film it. We're gonna get it out on the internet. So Apple's new Face ID with the iPhone 10 claims that it's what?
1 in a million chance.
1 in a million chance that it messes up and that someone else's face can unlock their phone, right? So we're gonna show you that his face works on Sam's phone.
Yeah. Alright, so if I turn on, put from my face, as you can see, unlocked, swipe up. Now if I turn off, go to Yago.
Same phone. Unlocked.
1 in a million, and that one guy who works with it is my roommate.
Okay, so look at their two faces. They don't look that similar, right? But the fact that this is working on his iPhone 10 is a crazy feature. It's, I don't know. Alright, so we're gonna try it 10 times. I'm gonna show you that it works every single time.
Yeah. Make sure you touch that button.
Turn this way, yeah. Go. What?
1 in a million.
Okay, so we're gonna show you that. So he's done it what, like 6 or 7 times in a row? I'm gonna try it with my face. Obviously this isn't gonna work. Nope, not working at all. Alright, Sam, you try it.
So that was 1 in a million.
That's insane. Alright, so we're gonna go through the settings and show you that this phone isn't jailbroken. We're gonna go into the Face ID. So you can't set 2 faces. It's only Sam's face that's registered, but Yago's face is working. Right? Nothing weird, nothing strange about it. It's a brand new iPhone 10, hasn't been jailbroken, nothing at all. And it works with both of these guys' faces. They don't look anything alike, they're not twins, they're literally roommates. And
Of all people in the world.
alright, so the scary part about this is that literally Yago can get into his Chase account because I mean that uses Face ID.
Yeah. So if I pull up my Chase, works for me. And then if I give it to, well, I have to close down the app first.
I'm in.
That's ridiculous. That's crazy.
A lot of security risk there. It might be worthwhile to say though that Apple warns on its website the only failures are supposed to happen when for people under 13 years of age, because their facial features are not that developed when we're both 19. We're not even related. And we're roommates. It just makes no sense. So
Yeah. The chances.
Apple, what's going on?
There's 300 million people in America, so if everyone has an iPhone, 300 people could have this possibly happen to them, and then you have to consider that they have to run into each other and try this Face ID, so this is insane.
So this is unheard of. It's crazy. I don't know, we want this to go viral. We want Apple to give us some answers. Why is the Face ID not working? I mean, it's a critical part of securing one's technology and one's private iPhones.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you guys have any comments or suggestions, leave them down below. Share this as many times as you can. Like it. We want to get as many views as we can. Make it go viral. I mean, this is a huge claim to say that Apple's Face ID just isn't working, and we promise it's not a hoax. Like, we've showed you all the settings on. It's not a jailbroken phone or anything like that. If you have any comments or concerns, leave them down below and we can make an update video if you guys are skeptical about this. Alright, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.
Thank you.